better than she can. I can love you. I can love you. I can love you. I can love you better than she can. Sitting here, wondering why you don't love me the way that I love you, and baby, have no fear, 'cause I will never ever hurt you, and you know my love is real, boy. I can love you. I can.
Y'all, so we just made candles. I feel like that is a very, very exciting place to bring friends, families. We were the only ones excited. We're about to get a bite to eat, and we're actually waiting for our candles to finish brewing.
I know sometimes can get rough, but we'll make.
I'm about to go get my hair done. I have a wedding to go to on Sunday, and I need my hair done. The girl that's doing it, she's not available to do it on Saturday, so that's why I'm doing it today. It is so damn hot in this car. So I'm actually headed to my hair appointment right now. It's at 2 o'clock. The time is now 1:20. I have to stop at the beauty supply store to get some braiding hair. So this is what the hair looks like. It is super cute. I love it, the curly hair. I actually don't think I've ever done curly hair. Well, I had a wig that was curly, but this is what the hairstyle looks like. Oh, y'all, it is super cute. Thank you, Jasmine girl. You know, y'all, she hooked it up, okay? I just got food from Arby's, so I'm trying to find a spot to eat. Y'all, this fucking Euro is about to fucking slap, okay? If y'all not hip to Arby's, get hip to them now.
Be the aerial trainer for today. That's why all the girls come see me. I'm making summer bodies.
Think it's great, but practice, like she said, makes perfect, so you have to definitely practice. I'm probably gonna be a little bit sore after this tomorrow.
Oh, you're gonna be a lot of business.
Yeah.
But because you have an instructor,
So you guys, we are going to a wedding. Carlton was freaking out because y'all, we was having issues. Tell him what happened.
Well, first of all, I had my car and everything ready to leave. I did all of my, prepping time yesterday, and the car that I was going to take was no longer available. I'm a salesman, by the way, so I had to get another vehicle. I got the tires are low. The guy gives me the vehicle with no gas.
Take exit 28 to merge onto I-75.
Just everything is like a lot of issues back and forth. But hey, I'm running late, but I'm still coming, so it is what it is.
Yes. So we are on our way to Cleveland, Ohio. Carlton said his friend is lit, so I guess his wedding is about to be lit.
We'll see. I expect it to be.
You guys, we've made it to the wedding. Well, not quite yet. Carlton, look excited.
Man, I'm trying to get inside.
Yeah, they're scratching heads. Hey, yeah, we're going to count them down with a 3, 2, 1. I need y'all help. I need y'all help.
Yes.
All right, let's get it. 3, 2, 1. One more time, y'all. 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Hey!
What are we changing to? Paycheck. Okay, period.